So I'm coming to you all to do opening review thing for smokeday.com. Let's see. Smokeday.com. So it's like a smoke shop for they sell acrylic bongs, glass bongs, water pipes, one shooters, one shots, all that good smoking accessory stuff. So what I ordered from them was an acrylic bong, but when you order off their website, they send you 3 free things as well. And they sent out it was like a cigarette, 1 shooter, acrylic grinder, and a 5-pack of screens. They arrived in a big envelope like this. Came in that, and it was also bubble wrapped and saran wrapped. The product that I ordered is, I think it's a 12-inch acrylic bong. It has green right here. I don't think that's removable. Blue, purplish blue, red and green. And it comes with this little thing right there. I use it there, so yeah. When it comes like that, but it's my first bong. I've never got one, and I decided, hey, it's only $15. Why not? So this was $15. Shipping was $8.70. So the total came up to be $23.69. Like I said, it comes with this. This is the 1 shooter. It looks like a cigarette. Here's the brass screens. Yeah, I have some pipes, so. And this is the grinder. This is a very big grinder, and it's a the sharpest teeth grinder. I'm not even sure how big this is, but it's a very big grinder. I have a Marilyn Monroe grinder, but it's smaller than that. So this is pretty big. But yeah, that's the end of this opening. I have a lot more stuff. I keep telling y'all that I got a lot of stuff to show y'all. Big haul video. But if you all can notice, I'm still in the process of moving. Notice all that crap in the closet, because yeah. But that's all I have for y'all today. Hopefully, I say Friday I have some more videos. But thanks for watching. Bye.